Hey guys, so today I'm here with a little tour of just the living room area and the kitchen area, which we should just get started. I've been wanting to do this video for a while now, but I haven't because I just haven't. So now that things are a little bit decent, I would like to show you guys. So this is the left side of the house that you enter after entering the front door and coming through the dining room, the formal dining, and the family room. So first, when you walk through, you have like this first little hallway right here, which you have your pantry door right there all the way at the end, and the downstairs restroom along with the garage door. And then here I just have a sign that says, "Our family is thankful, funny, confident, crazy, believers, loving, creative, and grateful." So that's all that I have here. I still need to work on this wall and put other picture frames or sayings, as well as this wall. And to our right, as we have this wall right here, it just has a little canvas that just says love is patient, love is kind, and so on, so on, so on, and so on. So yeah, I got that from Ross. I think it was like $7. So I really love picking those up because they are beautiful. On this wall right here, I have like these little bubble mirrors that I picked up from Walmart. Those were like $5. And I love them because the canvas that I have on top, it says, "But first, champagne." So I thought that was really cute. That's what I have there. And as we walk in, this is the living area, and as you can see, that little dot right there, my damn dog left a little bit of his dog food. So yes, this is the living area. We have an L-shaped couch, a sectional sofa, just a IKEA dining room. The couch, I got it off of some guy from OfferUp. He makes like sofas and stuff, and I really like it because it's gray, because I do want to change the color of the house later in the future. But I love the little details that's on the bottom of the sofa. This is the fireplace, and it comes with the built-in mantle, which I want to paint that gray so it can pop more. And just at the top, I just have my white little owls on each side. My husband and the girls. These are of Junior, my son, when he was little, an award my husband got. Just a little, this is a little memory thing that I got from one of my friends when she baptized her daughter, my niece, and then another little owl. And above that, we have my daughter when she was 6 and my son when he was 1. That's like their first haircut photo. So we have that. Right here, we have the TV, which always gets fingerprints because of my son. And then just this little cube stand that I got from Target. We come around over here, and since there's no shoes allowed in the house, you'll see like slippers everywhere. On this side, I keep my daughter's like some play stuff for her, so she has her little walker and some toys. I keep a blanket down here, her diaper bag. I always keep wipes down here. Usually I keep wipes over there with like at least 4 diapers for when we're downstairs. I don't have to rush upstairs just in case there's like an explosion in her butt. And then behind the sofa, I also keep 2 extra bar stools just in case we have guests and they want to sit down at the bar area or whatever. Those are there. Also, forgot to say, on the dining room table, all I keep is this little tray that I got from Target from the dollar spot. I think it was like $5. And then those coasters, I got them from Walgreens. That's the living space. So as we move on to here, this is more like the breakfast nook area. I was gonna pull the table to be rectangular, but I kind of like it against the wall because I love to have this open space inside of the kitchen. So yeah, we just have a table, an overview of the kitchen. Okay, so as we started here, I already told you about that. My kids love to eat here in the morning when we get ready for school, since they just eat something quick and we just get out the door. So that's why I have these two bar stools here. So over here on this side, we have just a little basket that I bought from Dollar Tree. I love it because it goes with all the little pops of teal, or aqua that I should say, in the kitchen. And we have our dishwasher, this beautiful little plant that I got from a friend, just the sink area right here. I just got that put in and I must say I freaking love it. All this counter space, my little mixer right there, the bowls, and the dishwasher. I got these right here. This is the salt and pepper shaker and the little dish where I put the spoons on there. As you can see, there's a little butter because I made pancakes this morning. The stove, I love the stove. It is freaking awesome. So yes, and then this little area right here where I keep this little set of spoons and tools for cooking. What is that? Paper towels. What I also keep on this side as well, as you can see, I keep a bar stool right here. I'll just sit on it. So when I sit here, I'm able to watch the kids all up on that side. So yeah, it's basically an island with a bar. So that's what I have here. Has 3 drawers and 3 cabinets as well. Over here is just like the little way to the pantry and the back door. Yes, my trash can right now is a laundry basket. Please forgive. But it was a very smart idea because I didn't have a trash can and we were just putting things in bags when we first moved here. And I was like, oh, I can use the laundry basket that was in the garage. So it came in handy. So yeah, now we move on to here. This is the little coffee area. I'm still working on it. I want to get like coffee signs to put here and then one right here. And I love it because right here is a coffee drawer. It's kind of a mess right now. I should have fixed it before, but hey, this is real life shenanigans. So everything, I keep my teas in here. Disposables, the Keurig cups. I just ran out of Splenda today. That's what I love. And then just the extra, I keep the extra Keurig cups down there as well. And then this little container, I have just some sugar. And I keep the honey for the teas, duh. So then my little Keurig machine that I leave it here. I used to have another one. It felt a little bit bulkier, but this one, I love it. And over here, I have this vase with my fake roses in there. I made that from the Dollar Tree. It was only a few bucks, and they are never gonna die. So that's perfect right there. I have this little messy bun getting stuff done canvas that I put here because basically this is like mommy's corner. And so that's why I put that there. I have a little chalkboard here, which I haven't bought chalk yet. I have this little jar that I got from Target. It was like $3. And I just put some not spoons. Why am I saying spoons? I put my pencils, pens, and stuff like that I use to write. So when I did the bills, and this little thing that I got from Target as well. I have a little notebook. I keep this little heart dish here that my daughter has her toy here. Little stapler. And I just put my glasses on top of it. I keep this little magazine holder or paper holder right here because my son, he has like a week to do his homework, so he just puts his homework right in there. So I know it stays in place. My wallet doesn't belong there, but it's there. And then on this side of the wall, I just keep today as a day, and I'll just like keep whatever info that I need or things that I need from the store. And then my little calendar up here. So yeah, and I was gonna show the pantry, but the pantry is not ready. I still have a lot of work to get done with the pantry. But basically this is the kitchen area. I love it, how open it is and how much counter space that I have. It's amazing. And then lastly, again, an overview of the living area. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this little tour of half of my house, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.